Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Expedia. This payment option can help you split your booking costs into manageable installments, making travel more accessible. However, it's important to note that Klarna availability varies by region and booking type, so let's walk through the process together. First, open your web browser and head over to Expedia.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll see several options at the top of the page for different types of bookings. These include stays, flights, cars, packages, and cruises. For this example, let's click on stays since hotel bookings are one of the most common uses for payment plans. Next, navigate to the Where to field. This is where you'll type in your destination. Simply click on the text field and enter the city or area where you'd like to stay. Right beside that field, you'll see an option for dates. Click on Dates and select your check-in date, followed by your checkout date. This helps Expedia filter available accommodations based on your travel timeline. Now, if you need to adjust the number of travelers, click on the Travelers button. Here you can modify the number of adults and children by clicking the minus and plus icons next to each category. Once you've set your preferences, click Search. Expedia will now load a list of available hotels that match your criteria, so give it a moment to process your request. Browse through the hotel list that appears and click on your preferred hotel to view more details. When you find a room that suits your needs, hover your mouse over it and click Reserve. This will take you to the booking page where you'll need to enter some personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, and phone number in the designated fields. These details are necessary for the hotel to confirm your reservation and contact you if needed. Now comes the crucial part. Navigate to the payment method or payment details section. Here you'll see several payment options which may include card, Affirm, PayPal, or Klarna. This is where you need to pay close attention. Although Klarna might appear as a payment option, it's important to understand that it may not be available for all users. Klarna is only offered in certain countries, for specific booking types, and based on eligibility criteria. Additionally, Expedia's interface has been updated in some regions, and you might see Affirm or other buy now, pay later providers instead of Klarna, particularly if you're booking from the United States. If Klarna doesn't appear in your payment options, it simply means it's not available for your specific booking at this time. If Klarna is available and you see it listed, select it as your payment method and follow the prompts to set up your installment plan. Once you've confirmed your payment details, scroll down and click Book Now to finalize your reservation. And that's it. You've completed the booking process on Expedia, with the option to use Klarna if available. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.